And for one game, Mohammad Amir, because Spencer Johnson will return from America. MLC just finishing off there. Dinesh Karthik next to me. How much are you looking forward to this, Dinesh?
Very much, Nas. We all know how important this tournament is in the English calendar for cricket. And as always, it's just kept getting better with every passing year. The average score has gone up from 140, it's reached almost up to 155, which tells you that
the Oval Invincibles women kicked us off with a win. What will the men do? Amir with the first ball. That looks like it's going to be a leg by. So they've had to regroup. Getting a quick single. Just gets in. Nice strike, square of the wicket. Don't think it will go for four. That one just going across. A runner ball 5 from the first 5. Bit of shape away from him maybe still with this newish ball. Yep, just there. That's gone up in the air as well. Third comes in, this could be 3. Yes, it is. Adam Zampa down at third man. The Phoenix are collapsing in the power play.
not a good choice of shot this from Dan Mousley. Very talented, not waiting on the swing there. Picking the ball really early from the hand, but didn't count for the swing. Mohammad, as we all know, a little bit of late swing. Pitching and just going away. The top edge. And again, Adam Zampa under it. The Oval Invincibles have been very good on the field so far, taking everything that's come their way. Third wicket goes for Phoenix. Swung the ball.
Just past backward point.
Adam Zampa is a big...
What should they do here, DK? Do you just keep going hard or do...
Well, Moeen Ali is playing it the modern way for sure. This could go wrong.
Another play and a miss.
There's a good quality bowling this, Nas.
Edge, does it carry it? Yeah, it has. Brilliant captaincy. Brilliant captaincy. Keep him on. He is going to bowl 15 of the first 20 deliveries, and the Phoenix find themselves 4 down.
Yeah. People in the pod thought it was a bit of a strange decision to bat first in Oval, and you can understand why. Wickets going rather quickly, generally a chasing ground, but Moeen Ali, the skipper, decided to bat first, driving at one, and he's been trying to drive at balls that have been swinging. Third time unlucky this time. Got an edge the previous one, but just went to third man. This one straight.
That will be a wide. Amir has bowled 15 from the first 20 deliveries. It's 12 for 4.
Mo showed his quality yet again. A brilliant start with the ball, and to be able to give him 10 balls in a row, especially when it's swinging around like that, is quality.
Mohammad Amir setting the tone from ball.
From Mohammad Amir, it was a high-quality spell. I mean, you can speak about some poor shots at times, but that was really good bowling as well. He hit the length, swung the ball late.
Mohammad Amir was amazing with the new balls, keeping him in, took wickets in his first 5, but Amir bowled some jaffers.